कांचीपुरम के इडली के बारे में बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानियां सुनी हैं। तो आज के इस एपिसोड में हम चलते हैं कांचीपुरम की फेमस इडली कोविल इडली को खाने। ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, मैं तो इस इडली को खाने से ज्यादा इसे देखने के लिए एक्साइटेड हूँ। कोविल इडली कांचीपुरम के फेमस टेम्पल्स में प्रसाद में मिलती हैं, लेकिन जिस दिन मैं यहाँ पहुंची थी मंदिर में एंट्री बंद थी बिकॉज ऑफ सम फेस्टिवल। तो मैं जा रही हूँ एक ऐसी फैमिली से मिलने जिनके यहाँ ये इडलियाँ जनरेशन से बनती आ रही हैं। They call it historic idli. Also, these idlis were the biggest idli I've seen ever in my life. So, Kovil idli has a history of 13th to 14th century. Up till 18th century, ये हाथी का खाना होता था, ऐसा मुझे बताया गया है। बट उसके बाद लोगों ने इसको खाना शुरू किया। Guys, I don't know about this part of the history. ये मुझे बोला गया है तो मैं कैमरे पे बोल रही हूँ. Don't hate me for this. सो दिस इज़ द बैटर इडली का, जो कि 13 घंटों से बना के रखा गया है। सो आज का ये व्लॉग एक फूड व्लॉग से ज़्यादा एक रेसिपी व्लॉग होगा, बिकॉज इवन आई विल गेट टू लर्न अबाउट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ कोविल इडली।
These are two types of rice and urd dal. Then one black pepper, curry leaves and jeera plus cashew. Fried to ghee and put into the batter.
Oh, so you roast it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then put it in the batter. Okay, and how many hours you soak this?
Almost 8 hours.
8 hours. Okay. Can I see the idli now? So we saw the batter, and now see this idli. It's
already soaked.
Okay, it's in bamboo.
This leaf's name was Mandara Ele.
What is that?
Mandara Ele.
Mandar yele. It's a local leaf.
Yes.
It gives flavor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's a good flavor plus so healthy.
Okay, healthy.
Historical leaf.
Okay. Mandar healthy. No, mandar.
Mandara Ele.
Mandar hilai.
Ele means leaf.
ओके, मंदार हिलई। एंड सी यहाँ पे जो सांचा होता है इडली का वो रखा है, उसके ऊपर बैम्बू से
3 hours boiling time.
ओके ऐसा हम कहते हैं घर पे कि इडली फटाफट बना लेते हैं, क्योंकि इट barely takes 7 to 8 minutes to steam the idlis. But this इडली इतनी बड़ी इडली 3 hours it takes to steam these idlis.
One idli can take time for 24 hours.
24 hours for one idli. How?
First 8 hours to soaking time.
Okay.
Then keep the batter to
Fermentation.
fermentation
Okay.
for 8 hours.
Okay.
Then 3 hours cooking.
Okay.
Almost cooking. After cooking, keep in dry.
Okay.
Then only cutting.
And how many hours drying time?
1 to 2 hours.
So 3 hours cooking, then you take it out or keep it in this only?
Okay.
Yes.
This one.
Can
Right, ma'am.
take 2 to 3 days. Validity date.
Oh, so it can last 3 days?
3 days.
It will not be spoiled?
Yes.
Right.
Wow.
No fridge.
It's not a normal idli. It's a historical idli.
Okay, show me the historical idli.
Yeah. 1.5 kg.
Oh my god, this is so heavy. 1.5 kg?
5 to 6 members can eat.
Eat this one.
Full
Okay.
idli 300 rupees.
Okay.
One kudal. This is kudal.
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 Okay. Kudal.
Okay.
Okay.
So kudal can 300.
Okay, okay, okay.
So this
You can purchase one family will
fully heat.
Oh my god, I've never seen idli like this.
members.
You cut it and heat it?
Yes.
एक इडली 1.5 किलो का है और कुछ 5 से 6 मेंबर्स खा सकते हैं, एंड द इडली लास्ट फॉर अप टू 3 days. लेट्स कट दिस कोविल इडली.
In Kanchipuram, only 3 members make this idli.
एंटायर कांचीपुरम.
Entire Kanchipuram.
ओके.
We are only in big Kanchipuram, and then small Kanchipuram 2 members.
Okay, and one is in temple also, no?
Varadagi
Yes,
temple.
yes.
Okay, so one temple, one is you, and there is one more person.
Yes, ma'am.
3. Okay. Happy birthday. Okay, so that's how you cut the idli.
Yes, yes.
Wow, so much of black pepper.
Black pepper, jeera, curry leaves, and cashew.
What time your customer comes? Early morning.
6:30.
Okay. And pre-order?
Pre-order, marriage orders, train, 7:30 train, Chennai train.
Okay. And when you started this?
At least 40 years. My
40
father,
years.
grandfather.
Cutting the idli. I hope I don't spoil it, okay? How thick? Okay.
Bread cutting.
ये वाला मोटा है, ये पतला है, जिसको भी अब मिलता है. So do you weigh it and then sell, or it's like pieces wise?
Full list.
Full idli only use. Look at the face of this historical idli in Kanchipuram. Oh, this is for me?
You.
And you eat it with?
It's dal powder.
Okay. Oh, this is enough, that's enough. वैसे भी आजकल मेरा ये साउथ इंडियन फूड का लव अफेयर चल रहा है. Wow.
Okay.
It is different.
Yeah.
There is so much flavor in it, and I'm not faking it, guys. वो black pepper का taste इतना अच्छा वाला है, and I'm not a very big fan of black pepper. Very good. So this place is very close to Kamakshi Amman temple. मैं इसका एड्रेस डाल दूँगी वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन में. Whenever you come to Kanchipuram, whatever you do in Kanchipuram, you go to the temples, go and do your shopping of Kanchipuram sarees, but make sure this thing is included in your itinerary, because this is something you don't get anywhere else. Now I can say that. Dude, this is the number just in case you're not able to reach. Then you can contact. While I am sipping tea at this beautiful family's house, I got to tell you guys a few things about this idli. ये एक रेस्टोरेंट नहीं है, ये एक घर है, तो आपको यहाँ पे पहले से ऑर्डर देना पड़ेगा. बट अगर आप टूरिस्ट की तरह आते हो तो मे बी यू कैन ट्राई योर लक.
This idli batter will make to 1 kg rice, then 1 kg urdu dal, half kg cashew nut, half kg pepper, half kg jeera.
It's an expensive idli then.
Yes, ma'am. Expensive idli, then historical idli, healthy idli.
Let's call
So many names are there.
I call it divine idli.
Divine idli, okay.
I don't know about people in South India, but as a North Indian, I have never tasted any idli like this so far in my life. So I can say Kovil idli, not the historic idli, but the best idli I have eaten so far. Thank you. You're so cute. Thank you. So अब हम यहाँ से निकलते हैं and we go to our next place in Kanchipuram.